Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a stock on Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investment app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities with no commission fees. To get started, you will need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through their website. First, you need to create an account on Robinhood. This involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account with money, which can be done through a bank transfer or other payment methods. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start searching for stocks to buy. You can do this by typing the name of the company or the stock symbol in the search bar. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type AAPL in the search bar. After you find the stock you want to buy, you can click on it to view its details. This will show you the current price of the stock, as well as its performance over time. You can also view news and other information about the company to help you make a more informed investment decision. To buy the stock, you will need to specify the number of shares you want to purchase. You can do this by typing in the number of shares or by specifying a dollar amount. For example, if you want to invest $100 in Apple stocks, Robinhood will automatically calculate the number of shares you can buy. Before you confirm your purchase, make sure to review the order details carefully. This includes the number of shares, the price, and any fees associated with the transaction. Although Robinhood does not charge commission fees, there may be other fees such as regulatory fees. Once you have reviewed the order details, you can confirm your purchase by swiping up or clicking the buy button. Your order will then be executed, and the stocks will be added to your portfolio. You can view your portfolio at any time to track the performance of your investments. It is also important to note that buying stocks involves risk, and there is always a chance that you could lose some or all of your investment. Therefore, it is essential to do your research and set a budget before investing in the stock market. In conclusion, buying a stock on Robinhood is a straightforward process that involves searching for the stock, viewing its details, specifying the number of shares to buy, reviewing the order details, and confirming the purchase. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start investing in the stock market with confidence.